Okay, I'm just making a video here of the bathroom plumbing before we fill the concrete back in. As you can see, we had to chip away the concrete to get the inflow drain put in, which you see right here. Here's, I got my hand right here on the line, and it turns down right here. It's in there pretty good. But that's the P-trap right there. You can see that with my hand. Anyways, it's pretty tight. But I assure you, there is a P-trap there. There's the lip of it right there. I don't know if you can see that. My fingers. Right there. Holy shit, that. Jesus Christ. God damn fucking shit. Anyways, fuck's sakes. Okay, so here's the P-trap. You gotta get some light there. Anyways, I don't know if you can see that there. There's the P-trap right there. Hey. Yeah, so there's your P-trap for your floor drain. They got the little hole drilled because it's got to be filled out right your time. And there's the P-trap for the shower. Yeah. What a mess, eh? Oh my God. So, there you have it. That's the toilet right there. That's going to be the sink. Yeah. Yeah. In case you're wondering why we had to do that, we forgot to put the floor drain in, and we moved. It's just the type of shower we got. Right. So that's our shower drain there, and that's our freshwater plumbing. So it's been holding at 50 psi for quite some time. Now it did drop initially. You can see the little black marks we made, but I don't know. So I don't see any leaks. And all right, so anyways, that's my little video. They're supposed to come tomorrow and start working on this bathroom. Get the concrete poured back in. I got the concrete over there, or they have it. So yeah. Anyway, if you haven't done that already, like, subscribe, and leave a comment, well, that other thing, and share. Yeah. All right. So, yeah. Have a good one.